What's up, beautiful people? This is your girl shainestee, and I am back with another video. We're gonna get straight into things, okay? I'm going to show you all how I achieve a bum high puff, okay? I'm going to show you how to rock it and to rock it well. So if you are interested, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and continue watching. So what I'm doing here is adding the Suave leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to follow up with the DEFINE&SHINE serum gel. Now that my hair is moisturized, I am going to brush my hair in an upward motion to prepare for the puff. So I'm going to be using a piece of old pantyhose that I had to kind of tie my hair up. You can use whatever works for you. Now it is time to get these edges to cooperate. So I'm going to be using Edge Control by Flawless Tresses. You guys go and buy, support.
Bruh.
So after an hour, I decided to unwrap it and kind of fluff it and get it how I want. It was your girl birthday. I turned 27, y'all. Hey. But anywho, I'll show you what it looks like at the end.
A few moments later.